Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check whether the SQLAlchemy library is present in your computer or not. So in order to check the availability of the SQLAlchemy in your system, you need to open the VS Code and head on to the VS Code terminal. Then inside the VS Code terminal, simply type in the following command, which is pip show SQLAlchemy. Once you have done that, hit the enter button, and here you can see the name, the version as well as the location of the package inside your system. This means that the SQLAlchemy is present inside your system. If that had not been the case, it would have shown a no module found error. So that's how you can verify the presence of the SQLAlchemy library in your system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.